Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this 2005 Fleetwood Pace Arrow 37C triple slide Class A gas motorhome. Let's go ahead and get started on the inside, and then I'll finish up by showing you the outside. Overall exterior length is 37 feet 8 inches, and the exterior height to the dual AC and the in-motion satellite is 12 feet 10 inches. Overall condition is good on the coach. This coach has not been detailed whatsoever. I actually like them when they haven't been detailed. It shows that the owners are not trying to hide anything. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. Alrighty. Triple slide coach. First slide out is going to be a super slide. It's going to be at least 12 foot long and 2.5 to 3 foot deep. Accommodates the ultra leather hide-a-bed sleeper sofa and the ultra leather boot dinette. The ultra leather fabric is in good condition. The three cushions, actually the center cushion on the hide-a-bed sleeper sofa, showing a little bit of sign of wear. They're next to nothing to replace, so it's really a non-issue. Boot dinette's in excellent condition. The cushions are in excellent condition. The ultra leather color is going to be like a tan or a cream color, light tan or cream. And the wood, I believe it's going to be cherry. Nice storage compartments underneath each boot dinette seating. And you do have day-night shades all throughout. Alright, spin around to the second slide out. Second slide out is going to be another super slide. It's going to be at least 12 foot long. And it's going to be about 2.5 foot deep. And it accommodates all the kitchen. Every bit of the kitchen and the pantry. And you do have solid surface coin style countertops all throughout this coach, even in the bathroom. And kitchen here, beautiful solid surface countertops. Usually you'll find a Formica or a laminate top on a Class A gas motorhome. Let's turn on this light on this convection oven. Sharp convection oven. Usually you'll have a microwave. Definitely nice. You do have a 2-burner gas cooktop. A lot nicer finish than the traditional 3-burner gas cooktop, which you'll usually find on your Class A gas motorhomes. Beautiful mirror backsplash for easy cleanup, by the way. And being that you have a convection oven, you don't need an oven, so you've got more storage space for pots and pans and all the good stuff. Solid wood drawer fronts, and the hardware is going to look like a brushed nickel finish. Alright. Also in the slide out is going to be your 12 cubic foot Dometic refrigerator, gas and electric. This is definitely going to be one of the largest refrigerators you're going to find on a Class A gas motorhome. It does have ice maker. And also in the slide out is your pantry. There you go. And move that garbage can there. You do have it's kind of like a, looks like a bar seating area, kind of a cross between a bar area and a hutch. And let me give, for example, just put this up, and you've got a little arm that sets this up, makes it into like a little table, more counter space for prepping up food. Anyway, pretty nice concept. On your carpet, it's going to be that sculpted carpet, and it's dirty. It needs to be cleaned. But the padding seems to be in good condition. Definitely normal wear and tear for 2005. I think a good cleanup on the carpet should clean up pretty good. You do have soft touch vinyl ceiling, easier to clean, and it does add as an insulation factor. Recessed puck lighting there, 2005. That was a pretty big deal. Give you an idea of the color schemes on the window treatments there. And your windows are dual pane. Usually you'll have a single pane, so you can go into extended seasons if you want with this coach. And your holding tanks are all heated, and your compartments are all heated and insulated. Insulated baggage doors. Okay, this is going to be your third slide out. Accommodates the hide-a-bed, or I'm sorry, the queen bed that does lift up. Dual sets of reader lights, which is nice. Okay, on the inside, really, the only real issue that may be a concern is, obviously, one of the doors are missing on one of the closets. Looks like it might have gotten ripped off when the slide out was coming in. I can't imagine it being too hard to find a replacement. Anyway, huge closets in the rear. Spin around here, and there's your TV. It says equipped with 2 TVs, and they are the upgraded flat screens, and both Samsung TVs, brand names. It's probably 19-inch in here, Nice desk area, by the way. And then show off solid wood pocket door for privacy from the bedroom into the hallway, which is definitely nice. Walk into the master bathroom here. You do have a foot flush china toilet, porcelain toilet with sprayer. Again, solid surface queen style countertop in the bathroom. And medicine cabinet, not just a mirror. Fantastic vent fan, by the way. There are 2 fantastic vent fans on this coach. Skylight. And you are ducted AC and ducted heat in the bathroom also. Nice neo-angle glass enclosed shower. Beautiful shower, by the way. And spin around here and show that this is pretty much fully loaded. It is fully loaded for Pace Arrow. You do have the washer dryer combo unit by Splendid. 50 amp coach. This is fully loaded. Again, Corian style countertops there. Lots of storage space, by the way. It's fully loaded. Dual ACs are going to be, I believe, 2 15,000 BTU AC units, which are the large ones with quick dump feature. Show that off here. Little louvers here. Open those louvers up, does a quick dump. Once it's cooled off, close off the louvers, and you have ducted AC all throughout the coach. This coach is also equipped with dual furnaces. So yeah, this coach is ready. Nice swivel chair. That swivel chair does lock when you're in transport. Obviously, the pilot and co-pilot seats swivel around, and they're ultra leather. The only real wear that I see on the pilot and co-pilot seat is right here on the pilot seat. A little wear right there, and a little bitty mark right there. It's really a non-issue, but anyway, I find it important to point everything out. That may be a concern to a potential buyer. So let's turn this engine on, kind of show off the full color backup monitor here. You do have a DVD, CD here, and there's going to be your temperature controls here. And starting from the right, it's going to be where you turn off your radio. The switches down to the right, and then to the left of that are your fog lights, and the left of that is your grade brake, which is like an exhaust brake. When you're going downhill, it saves you on your battery when you have that on. Then the utility light, and then to the left of that are the 2 fans. You have pilot and co-pilot fans. I'll try to show you before I leave. The cockpit and generator start and stop button, easy to figure out. This is sitting on the 8.1 liter, 340 horsepower workhorse chassis. 5-speed Allison transmission with overdrive. Coach currently has 34,420 miles on the coach. It's got 455 foot-pounds of torque. Okay, this does have 4-point auto leveling, but this, I guess the control panel pad here went out, so they got it. Looks like they got some kind of a backup system. Anyway, it does have 4-point leveling, and it looks like a trailer brake system here set up there. And there's going to be your ICC light, which is, you know, when the truckers blink their lights saying thank you for signaling me over. That's what that is. And to the right of that is your auxiliary battery, which ties your house and your chassis battery together. And it's going to the left, it's going to be your overdrive button and headlights right there. Let's speed up this video. And there's the fans that I was pointing out. And there's your TV, upgraded TV. Looks like a 32-inch Samsung flat screen. You do have map lights on each side for the co-pilot and pilot seat. I do want to point out the curtains, the close-off windshield. They're a little dirty. They could use a dry cleaning, definitely. But anyway, all right. It's going to be your monitor panel here, and up top tells you where you are in your freshwater tank, your gray tank, which is your sink and shower, and your black tank, which is your toilet, and then your LP tank. And then to the bottom of those buttons is the water pump button to the left, and to the right are their slide out buttons. And then below that, that's your energy management system, tells you how many amps you're pushing. And this is going to be your thermostat control for your heat and your AC. That is very easy to figure out. All right, I know I didn't get everything on the inside, but anyway, it's a little dirty, but it needs detailing. And all right, let's go outside. Power double step, and these are going to be it's going to be your power button for your slide out there, and or I'm sorry, your awning right there. These are going to be your lights for entry step and your compartments, and lights for your porch. And yeah, you got it. All right. Back up here, show off the color scheme, show off that huge. It's got to be at least a 20-foot power awning, and the awning looks like it's brand new. I do want to point out this does have a full awning package, but the slide out awnings are showing a little bit of wear. They might be original, but anyway, they're still doing its job, but they're showing a little bit of wear. But all right, only thing on the decals on the outside of the coach is right here. This entry door, the decal right there, the light gray, they're showing signs. That one, this one, and this swooping pattern right here, and that's it. Oh, and this one right here. Right there. Man, you can't even see it in the video. I'm really detailed in my videos, but all the other decals, the darker gray ones, they're beautiful. They look showroom. And honestly, I think the dark gray might be paint, and the light gray are decals, because every single one of the dark grays are in excellent condition. It looks like a gel coat paint. But anyway, it is a gel coat finish, fiberglass finish. See, look, that gray, that is paint. So I'm thinking that all the dark gray is a painted color scheme on it. Nice Pace Arrow badge there. I do want to point out you do have heated remote mirrors, and you do have a driver's door, which I forgot to show you when I was in the cockpit area. All right, you do have the 22.5 tires. They were made in 2013, so they're about due. Sorry, I need to back up here, kind of show off that beautiful front cap. One of the most beautiful front caps you could find on a Class A gas motorhome for 2005, by the way. See how it slopes up the top? More aerodynamic. There's that. I think that was an optional feature, which was the driver's side door. I did check this coach for delamination. Did not find any issues, which is that bubbling you get on the outside caused by water damage. All right, 22. Let's show off 22.5 tires right there. 22.5, and then right here, manufacturing date is the 41st week of 2013. They're due. On the fronts, the rears are 2014s. Okay, on this slide out, on two of your slide outs, your baggage compartment doors come out with them, so you're not busting your back, which is really cool. I'm just going to leave these open. Kind of show off that storage. All the gas struts are working. There's really no signs of chips or dinks or anything on the baggage doors. It's just dirty. See? A little bit of dirt. Here, see? It just needs a good cleaning. It's going to be your water hookup area here. This coach is equipped with a whole house water filtration system. It's going to be your black tank sewer flush right there. To the right of that are your low point drains. Easy for winterizing. There's your water hookup here. Outside shower, hot and cold running water. It's going to be your switches for bypass when you're winterizing. And 110 outlet there. Above that, hooking up a satellite and cable. And to the left of that is your water pump. Nice service light up there. And it looks like they got an extra water filter on this. I'll show you the other whole house water filtration system that came with this coach on the other side. Let's see here, show you a manufacturing date. There it is, right there. It's upside down, sorry. 14th week of 2014. Used to have another year or two. Sewer hose goes right there. That's easy to figure out. 5500 on-in Marquise Gold generator, gasoline powered. Lots of storage on this coach, by the way. LP tank, not sure how many gallon that is. And there's your 50 amp hookup right there. Marine style power cord. Show off that beautiful rear molded cap. Kind of show off that back side too. Show off that Pace Arrow badge. See, I want to show you all the decals really, other than the ones I showed you. They're in excellent condition. See, no curling, no flaking. No D-lam. Tinted windows, by the way. I believe it's going to be an 80% tint. That service light up there is missing its cover. It's a $5 cover, little plastic cover. They're a dime a dozen. You can get them anywhere, really. Beautiful rear molded cap, rear cap, and you do have backup camera. Obviously, I showed that in the cockpit area. A nice ladder to get up on your full walk-on roof. This does have 5,000 pound towing capability. I'm guessing this is like a Blue Ox tow system that they have. The brand, I'm guessing, is the brand, but it does not come with the coach. But if you're interested, talk to the owner. You might be able to work something out with them. Beautiful taillights, by the way. Probably one of the best looking rear caps you can find on a Class A gas motorhome. Dual furnaces, by the way, that I did point out. It's going to be your first furnace. Yeah, let's see here. Huge storage. And again, all the baggage doors are all insulated. Compartment doors are all heated. This is a pull-out tray for your little dorm-style igloo fridge. 10-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. Flip the switch on. A couple hours later, whether you're boondocking or you're hooked up to shore power, you're ready to go. A little dirty. Again, this should clean up pretty good. Oh, stainless steel wheel simulators. Forgot to point that one out. And that dark gray, it is paint. So this is like a partial paint package. And again, these baggage doors come out with the slide out, so you're not busting your back. There you go. See? And there's your second furnace right there. This coach is fully loaded. Oh, let's get this baggage compartment door here. Again, there's your whole house water filtration system there. It came factory with the coach. Well, it wasn't factory. I think it was just part of a package. I know I didn't get everything, but anyway. Anyway, if you want to come see the coach, call the number on the ad. You always deal directly with the owner. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube.